WHX Tech has launched this year in Dubai as a first of its kind platform for digital health. Now, what would you say sets this event apart from its other healthcare exhibitions in the region?
I think what sets WHX Tech apart from all of the other healthcare events in this region is the fact that we're really being able to focus on bridging technology with healthcare together. And that's really the important piece here, is actually being able to tap into the healthcare innovation that's happening, particularly in this region. We've seen it the last couple of days where the government entities are really driving that healthcare innovation. I think also the main thing as well for us, for WHX Tech, is that we're able to bring in the whole healthcare ecosystem. So we've got the government entities, we've got the hospital providers, we've got investors and startups, as well as many other profiles of people. So it's really being able to focus on healthcare technology, but being able to tap into the whole healthcare ecosystem.
All right. Now the show has been backed by key government entities and also the HIMSS partnership, right? So how important has this collaboration been in shaping the agenda and ensuring regional impact?
Yeah, for us at WHX Tech, the partnership with HIMSS has been really important. They're obviously a very influential association, a non-for-profit organisation. We actually, as Informa, own HIMSS global event that happens in America, in the States, in Vegas. So we acquired that event a couple of years ago. And it's being able to really tap into their network and their knowledge around healthcare information systems. And that's really been reflected into the content. Actually, the HIMSS boot camp is happening today. So that's really been very instrumental in helping to create this program. The backing and support of the government entities has been hugely important for us as well, particularly the likes of Dubai Health Authority, EHS, and of course, at a federal level, the Ministry of Health and Prevention. And it's really been their support and having the key His Excellencies attend the event, really just being able to take WHX Tech to the next level.
Okay. Now, WHX Tech also brings together like policymakers and startups, investors, and tech leaders. So what kind of cross-sector conversations do you expect has already taken place or will take place on site?
Yes, I think for us at WHX Tech, what's been really important and one of our key USPs for this event is the fact that we're able to bring in the startups and also the investors, and actually being able to create those curated meetings on site. So you'll see that in the middle of the event is our connections and investor lounge. And that's where all of these curated meetings are happening. We're also working with a third-party consultant called Newbridge that are really helping to facilitate those important meetings. And that's where those pivotal conversations are happening. And that's really, for us at WHX Tech, that tapping into that platform so that those important meetings are happening.
Okay. Now, the event agenda, it includes like everything from AI-driven hospitals to space-based medicine. Which themes or sessions do you believe will resonate the most with healthcare stakeholders in the Middle East region?
I think obviously for us, AI, it's affecting everybody globally, but particularly within healthcare, I think there's a lot to uncover around the ethical elements to that, and having WHX Tech as a platform to have that open dialogue and to address those issues and challenges, but also how AI can really enhance healthcare delivery and patient care. That's really at the heart of what we're doing here. And you'll see today that in collaboration with EHS, Emirates Health Services, they're launching their AI summit at WHX Tech. And that's where it's that really key platform to enable those important conversations and that dialogue around AI specifically. So I think AI is obviously the hot topic, but we've got the Accelerate competition, which is the pitch competition for the startups, and that's also really key in terms of uncovering what the latest innovations are in the healthcare industry.
Right. Yeah, just going to touch on that Accelerate. So yeah, so one of the features is Accelerate stage and the startup pitch competition. Now, how is WHX Tech positioning itself as a platform for health tech entrepreneurs?
Exactly that.
Yeah,
So the Accelerate competition is for those entrepreneurs. There's so much happening around healthcare innovation, and it's really driven from the startups. So we wanted to make sure that we were tapping into that and building that community. And Accelerate as the competitions for the startups is really key. There's global startups coming and they're pitching to the judges over the next 3 days. All the way through then to the finalists. We're going to have 12 finalists tomorrow, where we'll actually be giving a $50,000 prize fund. And we've even got Peter Jones, who's one of the UK's longest standing Dragon Den members. So he'll be coming tomorrow actually on site, and he'll be part of that final judging competition. But it's just really important to be able to tap into those startups and give a platform for them, because those are the rising stars of the industry.
Right. Okay, last question. Now, beyond the event itself, what lasting impact do you hope WHX Tech 2025 will have on the digital health ecosystem in UAE and the wider region?
I think for us at WHX Tech, it's this new platform, like I said, where we're actually really bridging the gap between technology and healthcare. So it's important that we're bringing in that healthcare ecosystem and helping to drive change and implement change. So whether that's conversations around AI implementation and around policies, all the way through to bringing in those startups and that innovation, and also investment into the region as well with our ambassador program. So it's really being able to make that lasting impression, not only on Dubai, the UAE, but also across the region and globally as well.